This here is our 500 series pilot. It's a non-flowing modulating pilot. It's mounted to a 2x3 valve. We're using a nitrogen bottle as our pressure source. Marcus, if you want to take this up, this is set at 100 pounds PSI. You're going to see this, it's called lockout. What happens here is we're going to take pressure up about 2% before set pressure, which is 100. So we're looking for 98 pounds here. We're going to, the gauge is going to stop slightly, and that's where our dome is dumping. In the real world, the dome is dumping. So watch this here, and we're looking for 98 pounds. Okay, right there at 98, you saw that it stopped and hesitated. And now, this is an often occurrence with our customers. So what happens is they get to this point and they think that the valve is not going off, but it is. And I'm going to show you that it is right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this plug, and this is highly recommended if anybody can do this, if you have the capability of doing this. Pull this plug and put like you did with the 300 pilot. Put this gauge on. We're going to put this gauge in there. Pull this and put a gauge in there so we can watch the dome. Installed a dome gauge by simply pulling a 1/4 inch plug out of the side of the pilot and putting this in. So now we have two gauges. We have an inlet gauge and a dome gauge. Okay, Mark, you can bring up the pressure. Both of the gauges are going to come up at the same time. Now at 98 pounds, a few percent below set pressure, we're going to see both of the gauges stop for slightly. And that's called lockout. And then we're going to watch this one drop. Our dome gauge drop. This is simulating dome reduction. In the real world, we're dumping off the pressure on the top. The main valve would be going off. This is a simple procedure that can be done in the field to verify your set point and not lose system process.